my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit YouTube thumbnail. Editing thumbnail may be very technical, and if you're not technical like me and you want to have like a nice thumbnail, now let me show you how to do it. Alright, first thing you need to go to canva.com. Right, now you have to log in order to use the service. So I am a student. I sign up with my email. I'm gonna write my name down. Right, my education email. 1 second, guys. Right. Not this one though. And then confirm email. Then your password. And then I'm not a robot. Right. Then of course you have to do like traffic light and stuff. No, I'm not a robot. Just me. Maybe this should be correct. Sign up. That's even so. I already have it. So click on this, right, and then I log in. Now, if you want to make a YouTube thumbnail and you don't know the size, so you use custom dimension, right? And you don't know, so you can search it up. Thumbnail YouTube thumbnail size should be easy. 1218 and so alright, now you can start your new project. You can split the thumbnail into like a ton of pieces, like even to like 12 pieces, but I want to make like not very confusing. You can add some element. You can have a ton of free photo. This super cool. Just look at this. Wow, you can add some grid, some frames. You can even add some shape like this. You can even adjust this to smaller. You can even change the color of this to yellow. You can add some line like this, get smaller. Chart icon, especially you can like search like dark and then enter. You can have free image of the dark right here, for example, or you can go to text, add your headings, change the color of the heading, make it white. Let me see. Yeah, it should be good enough. Now contain like hello YouTube, something like that. You can change, you can move the text around, you can make it bigger, you can do a ton of stuff. And then you can go to background. If you don't want like this type of background, you can make it like this if you want. Also, you can upload stuff, for example, or you can upload from your computer. I have a pretty cool image. For example, if you want like not this one, for example, you want like this, I don't know, put in some random like, yeah. So yeah guys, you want, yeah, and you can do all type of stuff with this. You can play around and get better at this. I recommend it. Thank you.